Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Forest Fire from 2020 to 2021, and it's at 60247. That's the box. Here's the full set. As you can see, you get 3 blue round LEGO pieces that goes into the water gun of the fire vehicle, and also fire vehicle, you open the windshield so you can take the minifigure out and close it again, and also you use this brown LEGO piece to shoot these round blue pieces at. And at the back of a forest fire vehicle you get a white fire extinguisher, and also you get this LEGO pieces that look like flames, and also this piece that looks like grass with a tree piece with this beautiful L on to look like it's a bit of a forest. And I bought this in Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa in 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.